Hey, what's up guys, this is Abno here. This is Vivo Y300 5G. It has titanium inspired design, Sony professional portrait camera, AI aura light portrait and 80 watts flash charge, diamond cut camera panel design, diamond starry texture, 2.5D titanium inspired high gloss frame. It comes in 3 different colors: titanium silver, emerald green and phantom purple. It is 0.779 cm slim and 188 grams weight. It has 32 megapixel HD front camera, 2 megapixel bokeh camera, 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 main camera and aura light. The main camera sensor has autofocus. Aura light achieves 3 levels of automatic brightness adjustment and stepless automatic cool and warm color adjustment. It has 360 degrees even lighting, 75x softness and 8x light emitting area. You can see the portraits at 1x and 2x, portraits with AI aura light and on and off. Sample of AI erase plus AI enhance, sample of 32 megapixel HD selfie with AI supermoon feature. You can capture detailed lunar images. AI documents helps in effortless text extraction. You can charge to 80% in around half an hour and there is overnight charging protection. It has 24 dimension security protection, 6x4 protection matrix, all around protection of charging safety including mobile phone battery, charging chip, Type-C port, cable, adapter, current guarantee, voltage guarantee, temperature guarantee and additional protection. The 5000 mAh battery has 4-year battery health with 15 hours YouTube video streaming and sleep standby optimization. The Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 has 4,50,000 plus Antutu test score, 8-core CPU architecture and 4nm advanced process. It comes with 8GB RAM, 128 or 256GB ROM and up to 2TB storage and 20GB storage compression. It has extended RAM, RAM saver and app retainer. The display has 120Hz refresh rate, 91.9% screen to body ratio, 1800 nits and in-display fingerprint sensor. The dual stereo speakers support 300% volume audio booster and has high-res audio wide certification. It has wet hand touch responsive interaction and IP64 dust and water resistance. The phone is tested 32,000 times, so dropping from a small height, 150,000 times volume button press tests, minus 20 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius phone in use and minus 40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius phone in charge, 20,000 times USB port tests, 5 lakh times power button press tests and extreme environment tests. That's it about the new Vivo Y300. Thanks for watching.